Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Citizen EcoDrive watch battery. It's important to understand that EcoDrive watches don't use a typical disposable battery. Instead, they contain a rechargeable power cell designed to last for many years. Attempting to replace this cell yourself without the right tools or expertise can damage your watch. We'll cover the correct approach to ensure your timepiece continues to function perfectly. How do you know if your EcoDrive's power cell needs attention? Common signs include the watch stopping completely or consistently losing accurate time. You might also notice the second hand skipping 2 seconds at a time, which is a low power warning. Additionally, some models have a power reserve indicator that will show a low charge. These are clear signals that the internal power cell may be weakening and requires professional service. Replacing an EcoDrive power cell is a precise process best handled by a certified technician. They will carefully open the watch case, ensuring no damage occurs. The old rechargeable power cell is then safely removed and replaced with a new, genuine Citizen part. After installation, the watch is meticulously resealed, and its water resistance is thoroughly checked. This ensures your watch maintains its original specifications and performs reliably. To keep your EcoDrive watch running smoothly, regular exposure to light is key for optimal charging. Avoid leaving it in dark places for extended periods. Also, protect your watch from extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, as this can impact the power cell's longevity. Remember, proper care extends the life of your timepiece significantly. And hey, while you're thinking about quality, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They are built to last, just like your EcoDrive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.